The "This feature requires Xfinity Internet" error occurs when Xfinity's system can't verify you're accessing content from your registered home network. This is due to digital rights management, DRM, and network verification, ensuring content licensing agreements are followed. It primarily affects live TV streaming, premium channels, and on-demand content. The Xfinity app checks your IP address against your registered home network. A mismatch triggers the error. This is designed to prevent unauthorized access outside your home network, complying with copyright laws and business strategies. Common scenarios where this error appears include traveling, remote work, or during internet outages. Despite updates to Xfinity's systems, this issue remains prevalent as of late 2025. First, ensure you are logged in with the correct Xfinity ID and password, and that your account is not flagged for security reasons. Try restarting your devices, including modem, router, and streaming device, and clearing the Xfinity app's cache. Verify your home Wi-Fi network is stable and properly connected. If traveling, explore Xfinity's out-of-home access beta feature, if available in your area, which may offer temporary verification via a one-time code. As a last resort, contact Xfinity support for manual resets. While some users explore VPNs to spoof their home IP, this violates Xfinity's terms of service and risks account suspension. Keep your app updated to prevent known glitches. Xfinity is working on more flexible authentication methods, expected to roll out gradually by 2026, potentially reducing the reliance on strict IP checks.